Hello, everybody. This is Spy Cover. Let's talk about the collapse of the bond market. Now, this is going to be very short because I start this podcast a little bit late, so I'm halfway to work. But I really wanted to, say this because this is, to me, is kind of an urgency. So, but it's going to be very short. The bond market is what the backbone of the economy. Once this market is collapsing, you can this spells the termination of the government funding. So they are getting starved, of money. And no, this is not good for a lot of people who have money just in the bank or in stocks, because what's going to happen is there's going to be a credit freeze, and you're going to have a lockup of money in the system. So there's no money in the bank, no money in your credit card, nothing works. So credit freeze, and you can't withdraw your money from the bank. So that's why you always have to have some cash on the side. So now this is bad because now you see Japanese are selling bond. That means they are losing confidence in the U.S. economy. And this is the same case for a lot of countries. Now they are selling bond not just because they just want to have fun on doing it. It's because they have to cover their ass, because they have their own problem, right? So when you have your own problem, right, you have to watch for yourself first, right? If you have an emergency for yourself, then you have to protect yourself, and later maybe you could watch for somebody else, right? So that's what's happening. Basically, you have a sell-off in the bond market that spells danger for a lot of countries. So, and it's happening in most countries at the same time. It's the same case for Canada, US, UK. Their currency are collapsing. You have against the US dollar. The US dollar is not even good. It's collapsing against real stuff, food, energy. You have this false sense of security with the US dollar, which is really fake. And everything is collapsing. It's a race to the bottom. So how you protect yourself? Well, you need an insurance. Insurance means something that will save you, protect you in any of those cases. If you in UK, in US, or you need something insured, right? So if you need your money now, how can you get it if the bank closed, right? If there's no internet connection or something, what do you do, right? And this is where Bitcoin comes in. Well, you say, well, what if there's no internet connection in my country? Well, you can send Bitcoin over satellite. You can send it over so many other medium. You can send it over text messages, right? Bitcoin is you can send it over any network, right? It's not just working on the internet. There's so many other ways you can send it. And also, let's say gold, right? You want to have some gold, right? Just a little bit for insurance, and some cash as well, right? Of course. So those are the insurance you need, right? So again, this is not good. Right? This is not good. Like for people with retirement, that spells a lot of danger. For people in rely just on the government funding, government welfare. You're gonna find a job now. You're gonna have to find something that you can hold on to. So anyway, guys, I just arrived at work, okay, and I feel so much urgency to do that because this sell-off I'm seeing here right now, it's not good. It's not good at all. So you need something to hold on to. So that's why I'm doing this, guys, to help you, okay? And this is why I think Bitcoin comes in. Because why Bitcoin is an entrance, okay? Let's say your currency collapse. Bitcoin in your country, right, will, just because your country currency collapse, right, what's gonna happen is other countries, let's say UK is collapsing, US citizens will keep on buying Bitcoin. So the Bitcoin doesn't care which currency is collapsing. Other currencies will hold it. Other people will hold it. So if you have, and also people are in UK are selling the UK dollars into Bitcoin. And if you have US collapsing, right, you have other countries, Argentina, China, other countries are buying the Bitcoin, and then US also are buying the Bitcoin. So you have an insurance in case everything collapses. The value of your money can be lost like 10 times the value of your money. That's why you need something like Bitcoin. Anyways, guys, I have to go. I hope you understand this and support the channel. You know what to do. And anyways, guys, I will see you again. This was Spike Off with TikTok. Good morning.